President Biden just signed the new stimulus package, and with it, there are many new tax credits and tax provisions. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from FreedomTax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you are new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Today is March 11th, and we're going to bring you some good information coming out of the new stimulus bill that was just signed a couple of minutes ago by President Biden and how it will affect and help in your taxes, okay? Now, as said, the new stimulus package has just been signed by President Biden. The name of the stimulus package is called the American Rescue Plan Act. With it, he is approving a new stimulus check of $1,400 per eligible individual and dependents. According to the new stimulus bill, people should start seeing these stimulus payments as soon as this weekend. So that's pretty fast. Also, it has extended the unemployment benefit of $300 per week through September 6th of 2021. Now, among a lot of things that are included in this new stimulus bill, it does have several tax items. So we are going to discuss 5 of the new tax provisions that are included in the new stimulus bill. 3 of them are for individuals and 2 of them are for small business owners and even for self-employed. And stick around to the last one because we feel that the last one that we're going to discuss has the biggest impact on small businesses to get additional funding and get them through this coronavirus pandemic, okay? Now, so the first tax provision that we are going to discuss is tax-free unemployment benefits. Basically, the act makes the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits tax-free for the unemployment benefits that you received in 2020. That's for taxpayers making less than $150,000 per year. So why did they have to do this? Because in 2020, a lot of individuals got unemployment benefits, but a lot of them did not know that they had to pay taxes on those unemployment benefits income. So now when they filed their 2020 tax return, they got a surprise tax bill. So now they're going to make the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits that you received in 2020 tax-free. So that means that if you have already filed your 2020 tax return and you received unemployment benefits in 2020, you may have to amend your tax return. We still have to wait for guidance from the IRS to see how they're going to handle this item, but I'm pretty sure the IRS will not automatically make the change for you. We're pretty sure that the IRS is going to say that you are going to have to amend your filed 2020 return to get the extra tax credits for the unemployment benefits that you received in 2020, okay? So the second tax provision that was included in this new stimulus bill was an increased child tax credit, okay? The current child tax credit is up to $2,000. That is being increased to $3,000 per child and $3,600 per children under 6. Now, important to note that this increased child tax credit is for 2021, okay? Remember that now we are filing the 2020 personal tax returns. So this child tax credit, you cannot get it when you file your 2020 tax return, okay? Now, so what does this mean? So this means that for 2021, this is the child tax credit of $3,000. So you can claim it when you do your 2021 taxes next year. But what the government is going to do is that they're going to give you an advance on this tax credit. How? Starting July, from July to December of this year, you're going to get 1/12 of the credit, and the IRS will pay you on a monthly basis. For example, let's say that your child does qualify for the $3,000 tax credit. If you divide 3,000 by 12, that'll mean $250,000. I'm sorry, $250. So starting July, the IRS will send you will deposit in your account $250 on a monthly basis from July to December. So that's 6 months. So the IRS is going to give you a 6 months advance on the child tax credit. So that means if you take $250 in 6 months, that's $1,500 that you got in advance from this child tax credit. So the remaining $1,500 to complete the $3,000, you can claim it when you do your 2021 tax return next year, okay? Now, the third tax provision that was included in this new stimulus package is tax-free student loan forgiveness, okay? Remember, if you have been following the news, this president is under a lot of pressure to forgive student loans. Now, we still don't know if they're going to forgive $10,000 or $50,000 in student loans. The thing is, the IRS law says that if any forgiven debt is now considered taxable income. So to prevent this from happening, they're putting this change in effect now, so that any future student loan debt that is forgiven before December 31st of 2025 does not have to pay taxes. Okay, so this is a good foundation in order to move forward with future student loan forgiveness. Okay, now we're going to talk about the last two tax provisions, and these apply for small businesses and self-employed. Okay, so the fourth tax provision that once again can be used by small business owners, employers, and self-employed is the extended family and sick leave credits. Okay, these were supposed to expire by the end of March, so now they have been extended an additional 2 quarters to the end of September 2021. Okay, remember that this is a fully refundable payroll tax credit that you can get. For example, if you're an employer and you have employees that get sick with COVID, or that they have family members that are sick with COVID and they cannot work, you can pay them their sick leave, but then the government is going to give you a refund on those wages that you paid your employee that had to go to get better for COVID or take care of a family member for COVID. And this also applies for self-employed, okay? If you don't know how these sick leave credits work, we are going to put a description. In the description of this video, we are going to put links to past videos that we did so you know exactly how to get this sick leave credits, okay? Now, the fifth provision, which only applies to employers, and we feel this is a huge help for employers. Employers meaning businesses that have employees on payroll and they give them a W-2, okay, is that they have extended the employee retention tax credit to the end of 2021. This means thousands and thousands of dollars, believe me, for small businesses, that they can get this payroll tax credit now extended till the end of the year. Okay, remember, this credit already existed in 2020. And if you have seen our videos all the way back from 2020, you know that in April and May of last year, we were saying that this credit for some employers was a better deal than the PPP. Okay, but since most businesses, the PPP was a better deal, the employee retention credit did not get as much publicity because in 2020, you could not have both. You had to choose either to get PPP or get the employee retention credit. But that changed in December, where now you can get both. You can get PPP and you can get the employee retention tax credit. You can get it retroactive 2020, and now it has been extended to 2021. Remember, you can get up to $5,000 credit per employee for 2020, but now for 2021, it's up to $7,000 per employee per quarter. So that means that your business can get a payroll tax credit of up to $28,000 per employee. So there's a lot of help here. We have been helping our clients with this, and we have been able to get them thousands and thousands of dollars. So if your CPA is not helping you with this, please call us, have a consultation, because most likely, if you have people on payroll, you may apply to get this employee retention tax credit, okay? And once again, we are gonna put links in the description of this video so you know exactly how this credit works, okay? So other than these tax provisions, there are many other tax provisions. The retroactive advanced premium tax credit, expanded earned income credit, enhanced child and dependent care assistance. So there's a lot of tax help. The thing is that you do not lose out in all these tax credits that are available for you. So make sure that you take advantage of all the tax credits that you are eligible for. So make sure that you are working with a tax professional that can help you get as much as possible in these new tax credits. And that's why we are here. We are helping our clients get the best tax credit that are available right now. This is our contact information. You can visit our website at freedomtaxfl.com. And if you need help with your personal taxes or your corporate taxes, we can do personal and business taxes in all 50 states, okay? Now remember that we are part of Freedom Group. We are a group of 4 companies where we do tax accounting, immigration, real estate, insurance, financial planning, so we can help you in many ways. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, watch the suggested video, like, share this information with other business owners. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.